So now that your LinkedIn profile is optimized, what you will need to do is actually two things. One is going to be to know exactly who you're speaking to so you can craft the message or marketing message or the content around your ideal clients. So you have to really know who you are serving. For example, Yogesh and I, we help people who already have established businesses and they want to grow their business through ads. At the same time, content is a big part of it, because when we show people how to grow through ads, we also show them how to build the relationships. So if you're building any type of email list, if you're building any type of following, you need to have that message right. So what you need to do right now is really sit down with yourself, work out what is it that your ideal clients are experiencing, what is it that they need help with, and kind of decide on the message that you want to put out there, right? So you want to get very clear who you're speaking to. Again, there's so many people who have established businesses, but for us, it's going to be people who are course creators, who have their own software as a service, so they do something online in terms of the marketing. For us, are people who are coaches and want to get more clients into their business. So we know that we are speaking to these people when we are putting all of this together, okay? All of our people are kind of entrepreneurs. So we also know that they need a lot of guidance and help on how to set up systems, how to set up email marketing and things like that. So all the content can be related to our ideal clients. We just want to make sure that through our content, we are speaking to them so we can help them grow their business, okay? I hope that helps. Let's move on to the next video.